The journey begins in the lush fields, where the perfect coffee cherry is handpicked. Only the finest cherries are selected, ensuring quality right from the start.
Once gathered, the cherries are carefully transported to the next stage of processing. From the field, the cherries make their way to the heart of the process, where transformation begins. At the factory, the raw cherries are unloaded, ready for their journey towards becoming the finest coffee.
Each batch is measured carefully, ensuring consistency throughout the roasting process.
The cherries are then thoroughly washed to remove impurities, preparing them for drying. Sun drying is an essential step to preserve the beans' natural flavors before roasting. As drying continues, machines ensure consistency, preparing each batch for the next phase.
Once dried, the cherries are stored, awaiting their transformation into the world's finest coffee.
The beans remain here, perfectly preserved, until they are ready for roasting.
Now, the cherries are ready for the most critical phase, the roasting process.
This is where the magic happens, transforming raw beans into the roasted perfection we know as coffee.
In the heat of the roaster, each bean undergoes a transformation, releasing its rich aroma.
After roasting, the beans must cool quickly to lock in their freshly roasted flavors.
Sorting ensures uniformity, so each cup brewed is consistent and flavorful.
Once sorted, the beans are stored, ready to be packaged and shipped worldwide.
Every batch undergoes strict inspection, ensuring only the highest quality beans make it to your cup.
Once the beans are sorted and inspected, they are loaded for transport to distribution centers.
The journey continues, bringing the freshly roasted beans closer to your favorite coffee shop.
Welcome to the heart of the coffee production process, where every bean is transformed.
The journey continues as the beans enter this state-of-the-art facility, ready for transformation.
Each shipment undergoes careful inspection, ensuring the highest standards before entry. Inside, dedicated workers prepare for the day's operations, ensuring everything runs smoothly.
Inside the factory, advanced machinery and skilled hands work in harmony to perfect each batch.
This is where the raw beans meet their transformation into the rich aroma we all recognize.
Roasting machines carefully monitor temperature, unlocking the coffee's full flavor potential. Precise control of heat and time ensures that each batch is roasted to perfection.
Once roasted, the beans are quickly cooled to preserve their freshly roasted flavor.
Efficient cooling prevents over-roasting and ensures consistency for each batch.
Once cooled, the beans are bagged and sealed, ready for shipment or further processing.
The bags are stored in a controlled environment, preserving their quality until they are needed.
As the coffee is moved into the final stages, it's one step closer to reaching its destination. Once the coffee is loaded, it's ready to hit the road, bringing fresh brews to shops worldwide.
And so, the journey continues, bringing the world's finest coffee to you.
From raw bean to brewed perfection, every step is carefully crafted for your perfect cup. This is how Starbucks brings its premium coffee from farm to cup, ensuring quality in every step. The beans are carefully cleaned, removing any remaining debris and imperfections.
Any unwanted material is manually removed, ensuring the beans remain pure and perfect for roasting.
Advanced machinery ensures that the beans are free from any contaminants, preparing them for the next step. Next, the beans are sorted by size to ensure uniformity during the roasting process.
Each batch is inspected to guarantee that only the finest beans make it to the next phase.
A final cleaning process ensures that the beans are free from any residual dust or impurities.
The beans undergo one last inspection before they're safely stored, awaiting the roasting process.
Once cleaned, the beans are carefully bagged and labeled for storage, ready for roasting.
Stored in a controlled environment, the beans remain fresh until they are ready for the roasting process.
Temperature control is essential to maintain the beans' quality and preserve their flavor profile.
Once prepared, the beans are ready to take their next step into the roasting machines.
As the beans enter the roasting area, they are about to undergo their most crucial transformation.
The final step before roasting, ensuring each bean is flawless and ready for the transformation.
Now, the beans are ready for the heat that will unlock their deep flavors.
Each batch is carefully monitored, ensuring every bean reaches the perfect roast. As the heat intensifies, the beans undergo their most crucial transformation, becoming rich and aromatic.
Once the perfect roast is achieved, the beans are quickly moved to the cooling system to lock in their flavor.
Efficient cooling is crucial to stop the roasting process and preserve the beans' delicate flavors.
Every batch is carefully examined, ensuring that only the best beans move forward.
Beans are sifted by size, ensuring consistency in every batch for optimal brewing. Automated systems ensure that only the highest quality beans make it to the next stage.
Once weighed, the beans are ready for packaging, ensuring consistency and accuracy in every batch.
Advanced packaging systems ensure that each bag is sealed tightly, preserving freshness until it reaches the consumer.
Quality control checks every package to ensure that each bag is perfect before it is shipped out.
Once packaged, the coffee bags are moved to a climate-controlled storage area where they await shipment.
Temperature control is vital to maintaining the beans' quality and ensuring they remain fresh for months. In the warehouse, coffee is stored efficiently, awaiting its journey to cafes and retailers around the world. Each bag is labeled with the proper shipping information, ensuring timely delivery to retail outlets. Now, the beans are ready to be loaded onto trucks for shipment to coffee shops and retailers.
With every bag securely packed, the coffee embarks on its final journey to be brewed.
From the factory, the coffee is transported, reaching its final destination, your local cafe.
And from here, the beans are ground, brewed, and served to you, completing the journey from farm to cup.
The final step, where all the care, precision, and expertise results in a cup of freshly brewed coffee.
Now, the beans are ground to perfection, ensuring the full extraction of their rich, aromatic oils.
Once ground, the coffee enters the brewing machine, where hot water will extract its full flavor.
The hot water extracts the coffee's oils and flavors, creating the perfect brew.
As the coffee brews, its rich aroma fills the air, signaling the start of the perfect cup.
The final product, rich, aromatic, and ready for you to enjoy.
With a skillful pour, the perfect latte is created, adding a personal touch to your coffee experience.
From bean to cup, every step ensures that you get the perfect coffee every time.
Whether it's a simple espresso or an intricate cappuccino, each drink is made with care and expertise. A different method of brewing, yet just as precise, ensuring every cup has the perfect strength and flavor.
Specialty beans, carefully selected, offer a distinct flavor profile for the discerning coffee lover. The freshly ground coffee is sealed in retail bags, ensuring it stays fresh for your home brewing.
From light to dark, each roast has its own unique flavor profile, carefully developed for every taste. The beans are carefully stored, ensuring that fresh stock is always available for roasting.
The final stage before reaching the shelves. Each bag is sealed and labeled, ensuring quality and freshness.
As one batch finishes, another begins, ensuring the flow of freshly roasted coffee is uninterrupted.
Advanced automation ensures that each coffee bean is sorted and graded with precision. Robotic systems streamline the packaging process, ensuring efficient handling of each batch.
Once filled, the bags are quickly sealed and prepared for labeling, ready to be shipped out.
Precision labeling ensures that each package is ready for tracking and distribution.
Automated quality control systems detect any imperfections, ensuring only the finest products reach the shelves.
With incredible efficiency, robotic systems palletize the coffee, preparing it for shipment.
Autonomous forklifts handle the heavy lifting, moving coffee with precision and speed. Automation ensures that each shipment is routed correctly, streamlining the delivery process.
For large bulk orders, the automated systems keep pace, ensuring fast and efficient processing. Once labeled, the coffee is prepared for shipment to global retailers, ensuring it reaches every corner of the world.
Smaller retail orders are processed efficiently, ensuring that every bag is packaged perfectly for customers.
Even in a highly automated environment, skilled workers adjust settings to ensure perfect results with every batch.
As automation controls the heat, the beans are roasted evenly, unlocking their natural oils and flavors.
Automated systems ensure that the beans are carefully checked for quality before moving forward. Each roast is carefully sorted to ensure consistency in every batch.
The final step, palletizing the coffee and preparing it for storage or shipping.
With efficiency and precision, the coffee is loaded and ready for the final leg of its journey.
Every bag undergoes a final inspection, ensuring only the best reaches the customer.
Once sealed, the bags are locked in, preserving the coffee's freshness until it's brewed.
Branding is applied, marking each bag for its destination, ensuring the coffee's identity is preserved.
Even in a highly automated system, workers ensure each label is applied with precision.
The final step before reaching the cup, grinding and brewing the perfect espresso for a satisfied customer.
Once labeled and sealed, the bags are ready for shipment to retailers and distributors. The bags are securely wrapped, ensuring that every pallet reaches its destination intact and fresh.
With the pallets securely loaded, the trucks are prepared for the journey ahead.
From here, the coffee embarks on its final journey to stores and retailers worldwide.
The coffee moves efficiently through distribution networks,
ensuring it arrives fresh at every location.
Once delivered to distribution centers, the coffee is sorted and prepared for its final journey.
Each bag is carefully sorted and routed to ensure timely delivery to stores and cafes.
At the retail stores, the coffee is placed on shelves, awaiting the next step in its journey, into your cup.
Finally, the coffee is ready for you to take home and enjoy, completing its long journey.
And with that, the journey from farm to cup is complete, ready to be brewed at home.
The final step, brewing that perfect cup of coffee, created from the beans that traveled across the world to you.
In the lab, every batch undergoes rigorous testing to ensure it meets the highest standards.
Aroma is one of the most critical aspects of coffee quality, and it's carefully measured to ensure consistency.
The flavor profile is assessed for balance, acidity, and richness, ensuring that each cup will deliver the perfect experience.
Freshness is key to maintaining flavor, and each batch is tested to ensure it meets strict freshness standards. Acidity levels are also carefully monitored, as they affect the taste and smoothness of the coffee.
Advanced chemical analysis ensures that the beans are free from any contaminants and possess the ideal chemical composition.
Even the brewing method is carefully tested, as it can affect the final flavor profile of the coffee.
Consistency is key, and every batch must meet the exact flavor and strength specifications, every time.
The extraction process is carefully monitored to ensure the perfect balance of flavors in every cup.
Grind consistency is vital, as it ensures uniform extraction and a balanced flavor in the final cup.
Once the coffee passes all quality tests, it's sealed and prepared for the next phase, ready for shipment.
The final approval ensures that each bag meets our rigorous standards, guaranteeing only the highest quality coffee reaches you.
Only after passing all checks does the coffee receive final approval, ready to be sent out for distribution.
With every quality check complete, the coffee is stored, ready to make its way to retail and into your cup.
Once quality control is finished, the coffee is stored and readied for its next journey to retailers around the world.
And so, the journey continues, bringing freshly roasted coffee from the factory to stores everywhere.
After quality control, the bags are sealed tightly, locking in the freshness for retail. Every bag is labeled with care, ensuring consistency across all retail shipments.
Once labeled, the coffee is stacked and organized for storage, ready for its journey.
The bags are now stored in climate-controlled conditions to ensure peak freshness until shipment. Automated forklifts ensure efficiency in moving the coffee, keeping the operation running smoothly. For wholesale orders, the bags are carefully packed in larger boxes, ready for transportation.
Before shipment, every bag undergoes a final inspection to guarantee its quality.
Once inspected, the bags are moved to the loading dock, awaiting their final journey.
The trucks are loaded with coffee, ensuring timely delivery to retailers and distributors.
With the coffee securely loaded, the trucks are ready to hit the road, delivering the product to locations across the globe.
From the factory, the coffee travels far and wide, reaching coffee shops and stores around the world. Through a global distribution network, the coffee reaches stores, ready to be brewed by consumers.
At distribution centers, the coffee is sorted and stored, ready to be sent to retailers and cafes.
At retail locations, the coffee is placed on shelves, ready to be sold to customers.
The journey ends with the customer purchasing their favorite brew, ready to be enjoyed at home.
From the shelf to your home, the journey ends with a perfect cup of freshly brewed coffee.
From farm to cup, the journey of the perfect coffee has come full circle, delivering satisfaction in every sip.
From the heart of the factory to your cup, this is how the finest coffee reaches the world.
Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more behind-the-scenes looks at the world's most fascinating factories.